Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn SAP with Prashanth. So in today's session, we'll be learning about how to define a storage location and purchasing organization and also assign the purchasing organization to company code and plant. Let's begin with storage location. What is a storage location? A storage location is an organizational unit within a plant that differentiates where materials are physically stored. So all goods movements will happen at a storage location level. Let's go to SAP and define a storage location. So from SPRO or SIMG, go to enterprise structure, definition, and then materials management. Here, select maintain storage location. So enter the plant here. In my case, it's DE99. Click on OK. And on the click on new entries, enter the storage location DE99 and give a meaningful description. I am be giving it a finished goods storage location, and save your entries and record it in a TR. So this is how we have created a storage location. Let's go to how to define a purchasing organization. So let's know about what is a purchasing organization. It is an organizational unit in materials management responsible for procuring materials and services and for negotiating the prices and purchasing conditions with vendors. Let's define the purchasing organization. Go back to SPRO and go to enterprise structure, definition, and then materials management, maintain purchase organization. Click on new entries, enter the purchasing organization 4-digit code and enter the description of the purchasing organization and save. After save, we need to assign the purchasing organization to a company code and plant. Go back and here from enterprise structure, select assignment, go to materials management, see here, assign purchasing organization to company code. So here on the position, enter your purchasing organization and enter the company code. We have defined D99 as our company code and save the entries. Go back. Now we need to assign organization to plant. Execute. Assign purchasing organization to plant. Click on the position and enter the purchasing organization as D99. So click on new entries, enter purchasing organization D99, then enter the plant as a D99 and save your entries. This finishes our definition of storage location, purchasing organization, and assignment of purchasing organization to plant and company code. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you.